Good morning, children. I am going to take science for you. Okay, children. In the last class, I have given notes for you. That is lesson number 1. My body parts and sense organs. I think you have written in the classwork. If you have written, open that classwork. I am going to read that lesson full. Hard words. Guess the names. Which part of will you know the following and question answers. Listen carefully. Okay, children. All of you open the classwork. First main is hard words. First one, HEAD, head. Second, EYES, eyes. Third, EARS, ears. Fourth, NOSE, nose. Fifth, MOUTH, mouth. Sixth, TONGUE, tongue. Seventh one, STRONG, strong. Eighth one, ROUND, round. Ninth one, JUMP, jump. 10th one, SENSORGANS, sense organs. 11th one, WRITE, right. 12th, camera, CAMERA, camera. 13th, INSIDE, inside. 14th, SOUNDS, sounds. 15th, ROUGH, rough. So these are the hard words. Once again I will repeat. First head, second one thighs, third one ears, fourth one nose, fifth one mouth, sixth one tongue, seventh one strong, eighth one round, ninth one jump, 10th one sense organs, 11th one right, 12th one camera, 13th one inside, 14th one sounds, 15th rough. Now second main. Guess the names, write them in the blanks. First one, we help you to see. So which one help you to see? Eyes. EYES, eyes. Second one, we help you to hear. Answer is ears. EARS, ears. Third one, I help you to smell. Answer is nose. NOSE, nose. Fourth one, I help you to taste. Answer is tongue. TONGUE, tongue. Fifth one, I help you to feel. Answer is skin. Students, so this is the names of parts of the body. First one is we help you to see, eyes. Second one, we help you to hear, ears. Third one, I help you to smell, nose. Fourth one, I help you to taste, tongue. Fifth one, I help you to feel, skin. Student, next third main. With which part will you know the following? In the bracket they given with the nose, with the eye, with the ear, with the tongue, and they given here. Fill the blanks. So first one is a kite is flying in the sky. So with what you will see that one. So with the help of the eye we can see that one. So answer is with the eye. WITH with TH the EYE, eye. Second one, the flower smells sweet. So with what you will smell? With the nose. WITH with TH the NOSE, nose. Third one, lime taste so. So with the help of what you will taste? So answer is with the tongue. WITH with TH the TONGUE, with the tongue. Fourth one, crackers are bursting. So with what help you will listen that one? With the ear. WITH with TH the EAR, ear. Fifth one, watching Tom and Jerry on the TV. So what with which help you'll see? With the eyes. So you'll see the TV with the eyes. So WITH with TH the EYES. So these are the parts of the body that help us to hear, taste, see and smell. Now fourth main. Answer the following questions. What are called sense organs? First question is, what are called sense organs? So answer, the organs which help us to see, know, hear, taste and feel the things around us are called sense organs. TH the ORGANS organs, WHICH which, HELP help, USS, TO2, SEEC, KNOW no, HEARE, TASTE taste, AND FEEL feel, THINGS things, AROUND around, USS, ARER, CALLED called, SENSE sense, ORGANS organs. Second one, how do eyes help us? Eyes help us to see things. Spelling is EYES eyes, HELP help, USS, TO2, SEEC, THINGS things. Eyes help us to see things. Third one, how do ears help us? So answer is, ears help us to hear. EARS ears, HELP help, USS, TO2, HEAR hear. Fourth one, how does nose help us? Answer is, nose help us to smell things. Spelling, NOSE nose, HELP help, USS, TO2, SMELL smell, THINGS things. Nose help us to smell things. Fifth one, how does tongue help us? Tongue help us to taste things. TONGUE tongue, HELP help, USS, TO2, TASTE taste, THINGS things. Next, sixth one, how does skin help us? Answer, skin help us to feel hot, cold, smooth and rough. SKIN skin, HELP help, USS, TO2, FEEL feel, HOT hot, COLD cold, SMOOT smooth and ROUGH rough. So these are the question answers. Once again I will repeat question answer. What are called sense organs? Answer, the organs which help us to see, know, hear, taste and feel the things around us are called sense organs. Second one, how do eyes help us? Eyes help us to see things. Third one, how do ears help us? Answer, ears help us to hear. Fourth one, how does nose help us? Nose help us to smell things. Fifth one, how does tongue help us? Tongue help us to taste things. Sixth one, how does skin help us? Skin help us to feel hot, cold, smooth and rough. Okay children, so these are the question answers, hard words and fill in the blanks in this lesson. Okay children, that is first lesson. Once again I will repeat second main. Guess the names, write them in the blanks. We help you to see. Answer is eyes. We help you to ears. help you to smell. Answer is nose. I help you to taste. Answer is tongue. I help you to feel. Answer is skin. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? Think you could have understood? The next class, I will give you UT about this first lesson. Children, thank you.